In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use DuckDuckGo for beginners. By the end, you'll know how to search with DuckDuckGo, filter results by images, videos, or news, use Bang shortcuts to search other sites, adjust privacy and appearance settings, and choose the DuckDuckGo browser for enhanced privacy. First, open your web browser. Next, go to https://duckduckgo.com. Click the address bar at the top, type duckduckgo.com, and press Enter. The DuckDuckGo homepage will load. Click the search bar in the center of the page. Type your search query. Enter a topic, question, or product you want to find. Press Enter to search. Browse the results. Scroll through the page titles, short descriptions, and website links. Click any result to open it. If you see an instant answer at the top, like a definition, calculator, or a quick fact, that's provided to save you a click. Click Images, Videos, or News tabs if needed. These tabs sit near the top of the page, just below the search bar. Click Images to see a grid of pictures related to your query. Click any image to view it on the source site. Click Videos to see results from multiple video sites, and click a thumbnail to watch on its source. Click News to focus on recent articles. Sorting and filters help you quickly find the most relevant coverage. Use your browser's back button to return to all results at any time. Use Bang shortcuts, !G, !W, etc. to search other sites. In the DuckDuckGo search bar, type an exclamation mark, the site code, a space, then your query. For example, type !W followed by a topic to search Wikipedia, !G to search Google, or !YT to search YouTube. Press Enter, and DuckDuckGo will take you straight to that site's results for your query. This is a quick way to jump directly to a specific website's search. Adjust settings for privacy and appearance. At the top right of DuckDuckGo, click the menu icon and choose Settings. From here, set Safe Search to control adult content. Choose a region for more local results, and switch between light, dark, or other themes to change the look. If you want links to open in a new tab, turn on the option labeled Open Links in a New tab. You can also adjust the layout and font size for readability. When you're done, click Save. Your settings are stored in your browser, and you can change them anytime. Use DuckDuckGo browser for enhanced privacy. If you want a dedicated browser with built-in tracker blocking and other protections, I'll download the DuckDuckGo browser from the official DuckDuckGo website or your app store. Open it and search the same way you just did. Type your query in the address bar and press Enter. The interface is familiar, and privacy protections are on by default so you can browse with fewer trackers. At this point, you've successfully used DuckDuckGo. You can run searches, switch to images, videos, or news, speed up workflows with Bang shortcuts, fine-tune privacy and appearance in settings, and use the DuckDuckGo browser for extra protection. Everything is set and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.